honors the Air Max 95's 30th anniversary with the bold court purple and wild grape, blending nostalgia and innovation. This edition replaces the iconic suede gradient with camo print leather, highlighted by black details on the toe cap, midsole, and tongue, plus reflective accents for extra style. Its seamed Big Bubble Air unit pays homage to the OG cushioning while adding modern flair. Though a Nike x BAPE collaboration is unlikely given past tensions, the design evokes BAPE-inspired vibes, sparking collector excitement. The sneaker drops September 12 via Nike SNKRS for $200, standing alongside unique releases like the Yu-Gi-Oh! Collab. By merging heritage and fresh creativity, the Air Max 95 continues proving its relevance in the sneaker scene 3 decades later. Bold designs like this reinforce why the silhouette remains iconic, pushing boundaries while celebrating history.